I don't know why Prince is in my lap right now.
Come
Get
on.
over here and sit down.
Here. I'm just
She can't
baiting
eat
her.
that.
I'm baiting her. Come on, Princess.
I guess she gonna drive the car.
Come on.
Get down,
Come on.
Pooh.
Here.
Well, guys, I just went and got
Come
my
on.
business cards. So let the reveal begin. Let me see if I like them.
I lied.
So let me see if I like them. Sorry about the sun and the glare. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, wow. My business card, guys. So yeah, it took me like 2 hours today
Let me see it.
to... Okay, Princess, I love you too.
I can't see it.
I got like 100 of them. It took, I thought
Let
it
me
was going to be a
see.
color on the back. And the reason why the email address is that way, because let me tell you, it took me like 2 hours to get these, because I had did it before, and when I did the checkout, it was saying that it was going to be ready on the 28th. I was like, the 28th? I clicked same day. And so I did the chat, that didn't work. So I ended up calling the store, and I was telling the guy, I was like, yeah, you know, I'm trying to check out and everything. I said, I told him, I said, I'm trying to check out and everything. And it's telling me that it's going to be ready on the 28th, and I chose same day. And he was like, really? I was like, yeah. So I had to go back. He told me what to do. I went back again, started the whole thing over with.
I would have been mad.
And it took me forever. He was like, I said, it took me like 2 hours to do this. He said, it should took you 2 hours. I said, I know it shouldn't have, but it took me 2 hours. And I think the reason why it took me 2 hours, because, you know, I was choosing my picture, trying to do the design.
He talking about? Tell them talking about some shit that took you 2 hours. Maybe I was taking my time and stuff. Didn't nobody ask him?
It's okay. That's Miracle. Tell everybody, hey, Mira.
Hey, y'all should know my voice by now, me fussing.
But yeah, so but a good thing is I am glad that I had to redo it, because for the simple fact, well, I don't have the blue on
It
here.
shouldn't take you 2 hours.
And
Okay,
this was-
professional.
So same day I got 100 business cards, and I only spent $10 because I found a coupon online. And yeah, so I got a little discount. But what I ended up doing was, on my business card, before I just had Zumba virtual class. I just had Zumba virtual class, my email address, and that was it. But what I did this time, when I redid them, I put Zumba virtual class. I have my email address. I have the web address that you can go to, which is diontaylor.zumba.com, where you can schedule a virtual session. And I also put my YouTube channel on here, and I also put my Instagram name. So yeah, so whenever I pass out my business cards, people can, you know, go to my YouTube channel and follow me and become a chat partner, of course. And yeah, so I'm glad I got these. So yeah, guys, these are my business cards.
They
Like
can't
them,
see.
Miracle?
Pull it close. Closer so they can pause it. Put it left.
Girl, I have my information in the description box below. But yeah, these are cute, nice little business cards. So I'm glad I got this done and out the way. This is something that I wanted to do and I needed to do. So yeah, guys, getting ready to hit the road and get myself together.
And tell people they better keep it, not throw it away, because that was $10.
Tomorrow is the big day of my Zumba class. So you can have it separated. I need
a taste of inspiration. Yeah, I'll do a half pound of that. I'll do that at 2.
Aloe vera don't look. Okay, my chat partner, so I'm back home now. So what I'm going to do is just a little brief grocery haul for you guys. So I got me some ginger, of course, because I'm going to make me some ginger tea. Ginger tea and some ginger lemon tea. So I got me some ginger. I'm going to sit that there in its proper spot. Got me some baby spinach. I also got this 4-pack of soda here, and it says it is the Shirley Temple flavor. I never had this before. This is my first time actually seeing this in the grocery store, and I wanted to try it. And what I did was I split it with Miracle. I gave her 2 bottles, and I left a bottle for me and my boyfriend, because a lot of times when me and Miracle go out to dinner, we always get like Shirley Temple. So I was like, yeah, and I was like, Miracle, look, they got the Shirley Temple soda. So I was like, I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna just give you 2 so we can split it and try it. Also, I got some watermelon, and what I did was I got 3 packs of watermelon. So each pack has like 2 slices, and it's easier that way for me. So whenever me, my boyfriend, and Miracle want a slice of watermelon, we can just cut this open and just pull a slice out and eat it. Simple. Also, I got some broccoli. I got some applesauce for breakfast because I'm going to be eating applesauce and drinking smoothies this week. I got some bananas for my smoothies. I got some roasted vegetables, which is the half Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, and onions. And then I got the cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and half Brussels sprouts. I got some frosted mini wheats. I got some eggs. I got some Canada Dry ginger ale, cranberry. Try this, guys, if you haven't. I got some Hawaiian Punch fruit juicy red flavor. I know it's not the best thing to do, but guys, to be honest, it's so hot now. So what I do is I like to put my little water bottles in the refrigerator and let them get really, really cold. And what I do is I take one pack of these, just one little pack. Let me show you, which y'all probably already know what it look like anyway. So I just take like one of these, and this will last me the whole day because I don't put the whole thing in one bottle. I'll split it up into like 4 or 5 bottles. I just put just a little bit in there just to add a little flavoring to it, especially when it's cold. You know, just trying to cut back on the juice of soda, even though I did buy some juice and soda this time. However, this is sugar-free, and I really like it, and I substitute this sometimes when I'm not drinking my lemon water. Take you some water bottles and put a bunch of them in the refrigerator, let them get really, really cold, and put a little bit of this in there. You'll be singing. Your throat will be like, ah, oh, yes. Okay, so also I got some V8 Splash Berry Blend. This is really, really good. I like this. Got us some lemons. Got 2 things of strawberries because, like I said, I am going to be drinking smoothies this week. Got some asparagus. Got some unsweet coconut milk, and got some squash. Another thing, guys, I went to Cracker Barrel today. And guys, this is my leftovers that I'm going to eat. And I know my little food is all over the place. But I got some fried okra, and I got the crispy chicken tenders with the, I think it's maple barbecue glaze. I had some hash brown casserole, but of course I ate all that. But y'all, these chicken tenders right here, bomb. And what I like about Cracker Barrel chicken is they cook their chicken well done. So I can honestly say that Cracker Barrel cooks the chicken perfectly the way I like it.